Yo. Yeesh. Rain better still be in these, or else. Or else. Sup, 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 sup. Yo, yo, yo. Ah. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. I gotta charge my phone too. Damn it. How's everyone's morning? What was I gonna do? Oh. One second, I can't read chat, but I see that there's something going on here. Gross. Are you waiting to buy puts at 5,200? What's the game plan? I don't have a game plan. I already entered my position for the most part a while back. So no game plan as of right now for myself. But for you guys, oh god, that's a lot. Hold on. Slow morning? What do you mean, man? I thought it was quite fast. Besides that huge drop. Yeah, man, I mean, I should have paid the bills for a couple of days, might I add. Great. Called from data, the reversal and move. Next time I'll have the you know what's to buy as well typed. Yeah, exactly. So, it was a great move. Great move. Let's go. Oh. I'm gonna share this on Twitter. Um, Twitter. um, Need to link the live stream, duh. Um, yo, 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 yo. Um, Logged out of my broker. Perfect. I don't know why that always happens. What a field. What the? Alright, dude, what the flip? I missed this guy. What the? Um, what's your Apex AI today? My Apex AI today is only looking for long entries up until 5200, and then I'll decide. Right now, my risk to reward though is only like 10 points. For me, that's not worth it. For you, it might be though. So, gauge what's worth it for you to even be in a position. Don't get in a position just to make a couple of cents, dog. You gotta be making the whole 100 bill. Um, so yeah, for the most part, I don't think, well, 9 point move now. We're most likely gonna start drifting towards 5200. Um, Not enough for me to um like put skin in the game, I guess, for just a 9 point move. But you know, earlier Sheen called out the basically bottom tick. I think so. That would have been the long entry there. Um, was 20x top to bottom on 5200 puts. That's fucking insane. Um, See, I caught that, but not on ODTEs. I got it on like weeklies. The day I sent out the newsletter that as soon as I was allowed to purchase, I purchased. Um, Caught up and down today. Nice. Assuming that's a good throw up emoji. Um, but yeah, man. How? I was working late last night on some shit. You guys want to see? This is what I imagine, right? This is what I'm imagining right now. Tell me if this is still too hard to understand for you guys. Is that too hard to understand? Tell me now. Actually, I think I made some more changes to it, so this might not be the most up to date. I think I added some shit here. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. One second, dog. Oh shit, bright light. Total dealer hedging is TDH. It's gonna be marked as a level. Yeah, this is okay. This is the main one. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Scrap that. Scrap that for now. Uh, Hold on. Boom. Okay, this is the like what I left off at. So I added win-loss ratio, simulated percent gain, since it'll be like on the dashboard. It's basically going to I don't know what the fuck that's going to be right now, but yeah, so simulated percent gain and then Sharpe ratio, which is what a lot of people use for annualized returns on any type of strategy. Program with input commands taking calls at the top. Um, but yeah, so this is kind of ideally what I would like. And then last night I realized we don't have an endpoint for uh, realized volatility or historical volatility. And that's why I don't know if you guys caught it late last night. I posted like a screenshot of me talking to Mitchell about like how to calculate realized vol. Um, and um that's where like all that fucking math came into play. So what's term structure percent and then skew percentile rank? So uh basically um and I talked about this in previous streams. I think on last Monday's stream, I think. I'll find it for you guys. I talked a lot more about it. Um, but so basically, right? Skew percentile rank is basically giving a numerical value to skew itself, right? So if it's negatively skewed, it's gonna come in with a negative percent. Um, and then if it's positively skewed, it'll come in with a positive percent. And then that closer that percentile is closest to zero. Obviously, zero is meaning neutral. And the reason why I was setting it up the way I'm setting it up is because I want to both cater to the people that don't give a fuck about trading and just want to make money. So that's what the algo portion is for. And then I also want to cater to the people that do care about trading and want to make a career out of it, and give you guys a little bit more of an advanced look at things and how it works and how to use it. So almost adding like the best of both worlds on that type of module. Now, at first glance, it looks kind of encumbersome, so I think to avoid that, making like the advanced portion like a drop down, so like you click an arrow and then it drops down all the advanced shit, and then you click the arrow and it closes all the advanced shit up for people that don't care about it and just want tell me buy, tell me sell, tell me stop loss. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Um, so I think that's what we're going with. Or at least that's what I want to go with. I have to make sure it's cool with everyone else. But yeah, pretty cool, no? Yeah, exactly. And I mean for myself, like it's like we're balancing a fine line between making it simple and making it complicated as fuck, right? Um, So I think with this, not only can we make it both simple and complex at the same time, but it's also pretty handy for mobile users because essentially that module summarizes all of the other modules all in one, right? Like, and it's in like, cause like I don't know if you've been using it on your mobile device or at least on your mobile browser, but you can really only have like two modules. You can have more, but it's kind of like funky scrolling and shit, right? So with this, you really only need the one, or maybe the two, if you're looking at two different types of tickers. But uh, you know, um, personally, me, it'll probably mostly just be on SPX the entire time. Um, and cause I trade mostly index derivatives. Um, you know, and fucking tell me when to go long, tell me where to put a stop, tell me fucking this, that, and the other. Maybe I'll even have like an NQES conversion based on what you're looking at, right? So like if you're looking at SPX, it'll convert the levels in terms of stop loss, target, etc. to ES levels, and then likewise for NDX and NQ, and then QQQ and NQ, and then SPY and NQ or ES, sorry. That might be a good idea to have level conversions for the people that trade futures and then the people that trade options. Whew. Whew. Just down this whole THC. She was gross. Ugh. Oh god. But you feel me, guys? You feel me? That's what I'm looking at right now. And that's kind of what I want to accomplish. That's like the top of my list aside from calculating the shit, right? Cuz like there's a few things that I have to calculate by hand now. Um So like for example, realized volatility. I either have to go pay for that endpoint or I can calculate it by myself. I'm gonna save myself the money. I'm gonna do it myself. Um, so that'll take some time, right? So not only do I gotta calculate that, um, I also am getting a quote from a data provider for CME mini e-mini futures data. So I gotta see what that quote comes back to be like. And then after that, we move our servers this week. And then once the servers are moved, we can get to work. Woo. Um, Back to manual calculation. Admit that you don't care about saving money, you just like math. Dude, honestly, you're kind of fucking right. No, okay, I'm kind of a fucking lazy guy, dude. Honestly, I'm kind of a lazy guy. And I would rather not do math if I don't need to do math, but you know what I mean? Like sometimes it comes down to it. Um, but yeah, man. Um, I think for the most part, that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, looking at my phone since it's charging on the side over here. Um, we talked about it on Thursday and Friday stream. Consider making those a podcast and listen to them as you drive, workout, etc. But yeah, nothing wrong with clarifying. Yeah, exactly. Um, I was thinking about um we were thinking about like maybe adding a module for like live streaming. I feel like that shit would be fucking mega hard, but um regardless, we'll fucking start doing some cool shit. Just joined. Are you in any calls or puts? No, not right now, but I will tell you that most likely we're gonna go to 5200 and then either reverse, or when we get to that. Actually, let me see. Um, yeah, most likely gonna reverse from 5200. So if you want to wait for a potential short there, you can. But I'm not taking anything personally. Just letting you know ahead of time. Um, Not taking anything. Don't want to take anything. I'm working on the platform via live stream right now, basically. You major in math, Geo? College? Nah, I barely even went to college. I always skipped class. Um, I would just kind of show up for exams and shit. Since college is mostly based on exams, I figured the busy work was pretty like the busy work was just that. It was busy work, so there isn't a need to do it. Um, Plus I didn't like people, I guess. Um, like I don't. It's not that I don't like people. Um, I don't like um I get social anxiety in large groups of people, so I kind of like a college setting is not the fucking vibe for me. So that was another reason why I never went. Um, being that I would basically have a panic attack every time I entered a classroom. Was not the move. Uh, Mostly self-taught. I had a little bit of a teacher though, who used to work at like Bear Stearns. But obviously that firm went under in like the 80s or some shit. But I ended up learning a lot that I know now through him. But other than that, like a book here or there, and then like mostly looking at um like different formulas and how they work and um putting two and two together is mostly how I learned, I guess. Kind of like a makeshift type of thing. How about popping a footprint chart on the YouTube dashboard to scope? Oh yeah, here I got you. Boom. There it is. There she blows. Maybe I'll format it a little bit better. I'm gonna get rid of the flow shit. Get rid of that. Uh, and I'll swing these down here. That was. Oh shit, this has been speed the entire time. Oh no, 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 it was right here. Okay, we're good. Swing that right here, and then boom, boom, boom. Yeah? Is this the setup? 2008, not the 80s. Sorry, dude. Sorry. I'm not. As before my time. 2008, I was like 11 years old. Um, how did you meet him? I met him through real estate, funny enough. Um, I used to work in real estate for people that don't know. That's kind of where I started. Um, but yeah, man. Realtor? Nah, I was on the loan side of stuff. So, um, getting people mortgages and shit, basically. Funny enough, the more math related portion of real estate. Bro, my hair's in my eyes. Ugh. Yeah, the boring part, I guess you could say. Mortgage broker? Yeah, pretty much. I didn't own like a mortgage broker, but I worked for one. I asked about backwardation as we had an IV pop, and I was curious if the eventual IV crush had anything to do with that. No, so you can't tell you can't tell where or if we're in or if we had backwardation or contango based on the current IV skew. Um, so that is something that I wanted to add in. So like basically, right? If I were to pop up the chart again, so this chart, right? Um, and I were to go with uh um. By the way, for the person that was asking about the expected move being put on a module, there it is. I remember. I was thinking about you specifically when I found this or when I put it on like this. Um, but basically hold on. Oh, you're watching, huh? Watch closer. Um, basically here, get my fucking thingy. So, these are gonna have positive or negative integers associated with them. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color based on if we're in. That might be a little too complicated. Maybe I'll just fucking here. Maybe I just fucking add a space here or something like what if I put like C or B? I don't know. I gotta think of a way to make it better, but it'll be on there. I'll have it on there somehow, some way. Um, and you'll be able to tell if we're in contago or backwardation. Hold up. I gotta. Damn, that's bright sun. Um, so based on like, what if I did this? Hold on. Wait, what if I did this? All right. Follow me, Super Econ. Follow me. What if I did this? What if I So this is gonna come out with a number, right? So let's just say for now it's fucking 0.2% or something. Now what if I change this color based on if we're in backwardation or contango? Would that be like visually, like would you know? I mean, obviously like a newcomer that's barely coming into the dashboard without it being explained to them, they wouldn't know, right? But but I think that would make it kind of like compact, seamless, fucking, you know what I mean? Like, and maybe hold up. Maybe I'll fucking put like a question mark here too or something, and then you fucking click it, and then it has like a, blah 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 blah. This is what that means. This is what this means. Um, that might work. Fucking piss yellow color means contango. Non-piss yellow color means backwardation. Fucking yeah. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Well, I'll figure it out. But basically, you'll be able to tell about contango and backwardation based on the volatility dashboard. And then anything that you guys want added in terms of volatility, we should probably have it. Um, we'll probably have it eventually. I added carry here because I kind of explained what carry was in a previous stream. But yeah, so like basically, right? What I was doing yesterday was, so I was taking the close. Now, I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, so like it's still a work in progress, guys. Again, this is shit that I'm like, I can kind of, I don't think there is a wrong or a right way. There's more correct ways, but there's not like a perfect, like this is the fucking way to do it. But from what I know, so we take 5202, which is the close of, and then we take the 211.63. That sum of these squared equals 7.05 to get the deviation. And then we take the deviation and we by days, so day 1, day 2, then you take the previous close, which is 5202, 5211, 63, 8, and then you subtract from the variance here 52, 55, and then you get some of these, pull it down here, you get 4.6758, and you do a root, and then 16. Sum these together, pull that down here, you get 3 by fuck by 2, and you'll get 2.15. And then this goes right here somewhere in the math. And then oh no, and then you take this and then you take X% of IV and then you divide no fucking sorry, hold on. And then you take that X% of IV and by 1.46 and then this gives you your carry. Your carry, and then this goes right here. Ta-da! Ta-da! But yeah, basically what all this is, right, is this gets you your realized volatility, RV, and then you divide it by your IV, and then you get your carry. And then if it's positive or negative, you get one of two things. You get either a stable relationship with price action, or you get an unstable relationship with price action. And then, ta-da! So yeah, and then this goes, so like, and then we take this, right? So we take the carry, which is going to be right here. Take the carry, and then you click the advanced view, right? Hold on, follow me for a second. You take the advanced view, and then it turns into like a P&L sheet, right? So like you get like when you're selecting like a strategy on Robinhood, and then you like fucking, and then it gives you something like this, and then, or like depending on the type of spread, right? And then you get some shit like this, the Egyptian fucking shit, you know? So and then you make that into a plot, and then you can get the P&L of uh uh the most optimal strategy for the type of environment that we're in. And then you take this, right? And you put it into the algo, right? So now the algo knows the most optimal strategy for the given day. Whoa. Anyways, um is anyone following me? Did anyone lose me? Did anyone lose me? I'm gonna delete all this now. That's how you get a 2-day realized volatility of the asset, and then you fucking get the type of environment that it's best to trade a stable strategy and an unstable, or when the profit's on volatility versus not profiting off volatility. Anyways, that's the idea. Um, nice. I need water. Thanks for the mention, dude. You guys know how to find the realized volatility of an asset? I like I said in the beginning though, I might have gotten a few maybe a small thing incomplete. Will you go over how it works once it's all done? Yes, I have done a video on like why it's important, how to use it. Um, if you, what exactly do you mean though by how it works? Because my definition of how it works is I give you the math that is how it works. So if you want to know like, yo, how does this work like in the market type of thing? Like what does it mean? I guess what does it mean is a little bit different of an answer. So, um, yeah, cause like I basically did uh go over how it works with the math section. That's how it works. But, you know, how to use it is a little different. Positive carry, like a more stable relationship with price action because it's basically it's basically telling you if dealers are really long gamma or not. So if the gamma model doesn't coincide with the carry being positive or negative, it might just be a date thing, but this is calculated on a 2-date thing, so obviously the fucking I'm rambling. I'm gonna stop now. I'm just getting bits and pieces how to make use of it. Oh, yeah, so like basically carry, right, is basically how I would use like simplifying it down, it just tells you what type of environment, what type of price action you're going to be seeing throughout the day. Is it worth it to trade? Is it not? Um and these types of interpretations are I think how people should look at a lot of different things. Number one, it simplifies it down better, and number two, I think you're able to gather more information from thinking it in like a simple format. But again, I guess my simple isn't everyone's simple because, you know, some things are fucking super complicated, convoluted. Um, I also want to make something out of this one day. It's cool and it works and there's a strategy for it, but wouldn't it be better if this was too just like, yo, there's 3 delta or negative delta in an uptrend. You should, you know, sell signal or something. Can you look at May and June absolute Gex levels? Sure. I don't like how this is over here. You said May and June. Now, I can only go to June 1st. What the fuck? Nah, this is busted, bro. What the hell? I mean, oh, that shit's broken. Oh, oh wait, what? Oh, just try May. That was so weird. Like twisting my neck. All better now. So I can't give you June, but I can give you May. Why is it like this? Hold on. Okay. There's gotta be a weird date in there somewhere. That's interesting though. I want to know what that is after stream. I'm gonna try to look into it. Oh, that's because you're doing it from today. So I was doing it from the start of May to June because you can only select like a month out. It's because you're selecting April 9th to June or June. Well, you wanted June. So cuz like you can only do um 30 days at a time basically is what I'm saying. Yeah. Fucking Get me, dude? Mm. Thanks, Big G. More like little G, dude. I'm getting small out here. I need to go work out more. I need to take steroids. Anyone, thoughts on steroids? Hot take. They're awesome. Mm. Oh, shoot. Bruh, that was such a good meme, Alejandro. What the hell? A little test never killed anyone. Arguably a huge benefit once you hit 30. Dude, you're right. I'm gonna get huge. I wanna get so big it begins hard to fit through doorways. They call me doorways. Um, any insights for the next months? Data tell you anything neat? Um, before anything, I'd like to see what happens, um, this next OPEX. So I don't want to give you an answer just yet. Ask me when OPEX happens. I'm curious to see if all that exposure at 5200 dissipates or not. That'd be pretty sick to see. Um, short scalp off positive or negative 5200. Yeah, dude. Honestly, that's a good strategy in itself. You know something's gonna fucking happen once you get there. You just don't know what. Imagine just at the money straddles at the time of approaching. Dude, be awesome. This sell off. Is this guy in puts? Hell yeah. Stuff, dude. I'm pretty much always looking at the 15-minute chart, so um that's why I the candles don't look so significant to me all the time. Great, huh? Oh, let's see. Thinking if I should take this with options or futures. Big options. See the chain. No Geo, just eat healthy and weight training. Don't eat before you sleep. You have a great body frame. Thanks, man. Might just one, dude. Just one cycle. Just look like Bane. Now, optimal strike price, where would I be? Now don't follow me on this by any means, because I don't think you can, honestly. This isn't for by SPX the 12th cons. Yo, what's up, man? I'm good, I'm good. I'm skinny but cut up and strong. I'm trying to get massive. I want to flip point B right now. Give me 1 second. Let me get into this position real quick, and I will answer that because I'm on a weekly frame, not a CTE. 51.70s, I think. Okay. Alright, to answer that question. Bonus 0 point would be here. What is this? 51.55 is for today. Yeah, get me? Yes, you are, sir. You're reading it great. feel like slowly our dashboard's just gonna transition to this. Just everything. But eventually, dude. This. So, what would you guys be like? Damn, he should really add this right now because I'm probably gonna ask him later. To like the Apex algo, I guess. Like, I guess what contract to pick. But like, if you have a target, is picking a contract that hard? You know, like if it says right there target's 5,200, would you not just buy something that's gonna go in the money? So like anything $5 below this strike, it's like a long entry. You get me? I don't think like what contract to pick should be a huge thing. Cause if it's in the money, a lot of that shit doesn't matter. Trying to think. Oh, you know what? What if like it was fucking get rid of like this square? Oh no. Hold on. Option chain, bro. Right here, right? This is like this is gonna look horrible. So let me work. Let me cook, if you will. So, um, what it? Yeah, do you have billions? Yeah, that would be this, and this would be the net amount. Um, but like, what if, right? Um, we have the option chain here or something, but like it's not like the option chain being displayed here, but like it's like maybe a link or something. I don't know. Maybe like it pops. Oh no, that'd be way too much. Never mind. Hold on. Maybe scrap that idea. Um, maybe we just track the delta. So get rid of that box, right? And then I add dex or something. The dex of um of this and this. I think. No. It would be the sorry, hold on. It would be the dex of this and the dex of this. No, yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I think so. Or I would have to add. So like I would have to add key fauna level here. Vex for short. I'd have to add key fauna level, right? It would give me a strike price, and then we would manage the dex of that key fauna level for an entry. Whoa! Hold up. We're doing something here. Hold on. I think we're onto something. Okay, so right, you got your decks here. The Pokédex. Pokédex. The Pokédex, right? And then we do Vex levels. So Vex level here, right? The highest amount of Von exposure. And then we have the strike delta of both calls and puts in a numerical value of the Vex Von exposure. And then when that reaches like a maximum of 0.80 and a minimum of like 0.20 or negative 0.20, then you know like that's a good place to enter or exit. Ah, damn, my arm itches. Do rely on that for strength and action. Yeah, basically, a high amount of billions is good price action. Or Nothing that's like close to zero. Anything close to zero kind of sucks. Because again, options exposures are like almost directly related to the amount of open positions or basically a high amount of money running through all of the options. And since SPX makes up 16 to 20% of all options on the options market cap, um, its exposure is the most important and the most prone to actually like telegraph moves and stuff. Do you guys get me though? Did you understand that? So like maybe this could be another entry, right? So like maybe we have entry related to Ivana. Nah, that'd be too much. That'd be too much. We have but this could like this is essentially like a premium scalper type shit. Anyways, so like, cause like you're just looking at the delta changes, which would mean there's a change in premium, and then that would also mean there was a change in I guess entry value. Hmm. Charm point 5205. Market not supposed to blow the 0 point, right? It's not that it's not supposed to blow past the 0 point. It's not supposed to stay at the 0 point. So like, um, I'm not saying it can't go over or under, but wait, where is it? Here. I'm not saying it can't go over or under because it can end on this side just as long as it's not in the 0 point area. That's like typically where it doesn't um like to stay, I guess, or at least stay for long. So like sometimes you can play like the crossover between the 0 point type of shit because um that acceleration. Um yeah. Uh what to add to module confidence level represented by green, yellow, red, or green radiant alert. Hmm. So yeah, we were thinking about, but that wouldn't be part of this module. But I know you said separate module, but it would be like on the dashboard itself as like a gauge. I think a lot of platforms do it like that, right? Where you have your little fucking oh shit, and then wait, what's the date today? I think I have a meeting. I have a meeting. Okay, sorry. Uh, I might have to cut the stream a little shorter. Um, but yeah. So like this would be confidence level, right? So like it would be bearish or bullish, and then based on that and where that arrow goes, this means neutral, and then so I can go to extremes and whatnot. I don't know what I would base this off of though. I think a lot of platforms base it on flow, but I don't think that's super accurate. I think there's a way better way to base it off of because not all flow is super important, and honestly I think a lot of platforms don't really like read it as well because technically it depends on what time you're getting the data from the broker itself and a lot of other shit. Uh, Fucking honestly, it takes forever to um see all the dude. There's like hundreds of thousands of lines of code on the fucking unusual options flow thing. It's crazy. Exposure flows. Nah, I don't want to do it off of unusual options. Maybe. Holy fuck, are those all Sheen bots? What the hell? Yeah, there's a lot of scammers. Guys, we won't DM you. So don't ever think that's us. shoulder shirt. How about a merch button that only unlocks for special drops? Like logged in, time logged in. That'd be cool. That would mean we'd have to make the merch though, and fuck, that's gonna take a while. But good idea. It might work. I want to make a bot that just spams these motherfuckers back. Anti-bot bot. Dude, that's an idea, honestly. Biden gives remarks on economy during. Yeah, it's chopping hard. On such a long time frame there. I think I have to take a meeting in like. So, I'll be ending the stream in like 10 because I gotta go. Yo, these L-theanine things actually really. What is the point of degex and skew adjusted? Like I get they're different calculations, but why use one or the other? So they're measuring different types of exposures almost entirely, right? They sound the same, but because they're also calculating for two exposures instead of just one, um, it almost changes the exposure completely. So you can use basically each one for a different type of strategy, right? If there's a significant amount of skew adjusted gex, I guess that would mean that there's a higher sensitivity towards things that are based on or there's more of a change in sensitivity to where the underlying is moving up or down, opposed to like normal exposures. Because I guess you could say that position is more exposed to skew, which is like the P&L profile. Fuck, it's really hard to explain this without like a diagram. Oh wait, hold on. I have a notion, I think, that explains it better. Drawings. thinking about taking contracts 2x, twice the length of the data read, to negate theta, etc. Aggregate day 2 weeks out, contract 1 month out, hold for 1 week. That help negate extrinsic decay. It doesn't like completely negate it. It would just mean you're less exposed to the like the theta decay. You'd be less exposed basically. Um, so it doesn't like completely get rid of it, but it makes it not as bad. I don't think the length of the contracts, like if you're going 2x the length, for example, on something that you're looking, I don't know, a week out or more, there's not really a need to like buy that far out. You could do um like 2 weeks in like a day or something. I wouldn't go anything more. Take a position, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna take it just cause I'm bored. Eh, I'll take one later. Take one if we get to. Um. Bro, I don't like this chop. Shit's boring. I think I'm gonna end stream. I gotta hop on a call soon. Um, but I'm glad you guys like the module that we're trying to bring to life. I don't know. I don't have like a time estimate for that, but I'd hope it comes in the next like 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. It'd be sick. Other than that, look forward to some big updates. Once we move our servers to a different place. Class today, later. Sheen's gonna be doing it, so join on that. Sheen, Fatty, and J Crispy and Liquidos if he's around. And be a good one. I think he's gonna go over his trades. So, yeah, man. I am gonna end stream now.